Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. This time of year the peahens start laying. Right now we have a black shoulder peahen laying eggs. It's been 14 days and she's not setting. So I took the eggs and I'm going to put them in the incubator, possibly until she starts setting. I did leave one egg in the nest, and if she starts setting here in the next couple days, it'll be wonderful. I hope so, because these eggs will be going back out underneath her, because last year the incubation process didn't work real good for me. But I know the trouble I had was with the humidity, keeping the humidity steady in the incubator. The humidity was really high around the area where I had the incubator, and we got the air on in the house, and I think that'll keep it down. So we'll see what happens, and I'll keep you updated. Black shoulder peahen should be hatching eggs next week, last week of July. It'll be exciting to see. I put 8 eggs under her after I incubated them for about 5 days because she was not setting yet. As soon as she starts setting, I brought them back out. So we'll see how many hatch. There's our 1-year-old peahens, the black shoulder. They're doing really well. They're just starting to go outside. They've been really scared to go outside, and now that's what they're doing, which is really good. She spent a lot of hot days in this house, but I had the fan on her, so that really helped. They spend most of the time setting, but they do get up a little bit, not for very long though, and eat and get a drink. So we got one Peachick. Today's June 26th. I think it might have been born yesterday, since it seems like it's pretty good on its feet already. It's about 100 in here, so it should be plenty warm for them. Mama's laying on 7 more eggs. An ideal situation would be for her to raise the chicks, but I'm just not set up that way, and I just think it's a little risky because our fences, they could easily get through our fences, and the males, I don't know what would happen. So they're really safe where they are now, but it would be really nice to have her raise them because she would seem like be a really good mama. What the peahen is doing here is turning the eggs. She does this process quite a bit, and it's kind of fun to watch. The eggs need turned in order for them to develop correctly. We won't know the sex of these birds until they get a little bit older, and then we'll be able to see the colors changing on their feathers, and that will predict what they are. So it'll be fun to see. A couple hens would be nice, but whatever we get, we're going to take. strong that when I went back into the shed, it was out of this little basket, out there on the floor just walking around, and I was surprised that nothing had hurt it. It seemed to do really fine, and I just had to put them back in. So I just sat and watched it for a little bit, and the chick seemed like it was really dried off already and very strong. So it could have been born the day before, as I said on the video, and I just didn't notice it because they hide pretty good under their mama. So the chicks can actually live a couple days because they absorb the yolk sac right before they hatch. So when this one I put under a heat lamp, and then the next day or so another one was born, and then after he had got all dried off, then he joined this one. So they were never alone for very long. But as you know, I couldn't resist. I threw a little bit of feed in there. Hey everyone, my Peachicks are around 2 weeks old. They're in my garage right now with the heat lamp. And I just want to show you, these are the black shoulder. They're very healthy, doing very well. And today's July 9th. I have one peahen that is also laying eggs. She's got 4 so far. A little late, but she is laying, so I'm hoping she'll set on them. But aren't they cute? These are a little trickier to raise than chicks, a little more temperamental. I got them on a medicated feed because they are very susceptible to getting sick, and on wire. And they're doing fine. The teddy bear's in there just to kind of be a cuddling thing, because when you take them away from their mama, the mama did hatch these, and the reason I take them away because I don't want them to get hurt by the males, and also it's just I'm not set up for it. They're doing really well.